what's up? Delicious, isn't it? I mean the thumbnail, and I can bet it was more yummylicious to taste in real life. So our chef isn't here, he's a bit camera conscious. Guarantee that anybody watching this video can make. Only you'll need the exact ingredients that are being used here and which gives its amazing flavor. So without wasting any more time, let's get to it. To start with, you will need chicken breast pieces. We have got the frozen chicken breast pieces, and make sure to cut it out open into a butterfly shape so that it is properly cooked. Some technical glitch and some help from the cameraman. It's finally open. So here's our olive oil. Some rosemary and some thyme. These two spices give it an amazing aroma and flavor. Now chop up some garlic. Here we are not chopping it up, he is just crushing it using his fingers. You can chop it as well, just make sure it is very tiny. Some salt to taste. And some black pepper. So that's it guys, this is our marinade. Give it a nice stir. And soak into the breast pieces and make sure that they are well coated on all the sides. Now this is the important part. Make dents with the knife as shown being shown here, because then the marinade will seep into the chicken and make it more tender and juicy. After this, refrigerate the chicken for at least 1 hour. If you refrigerate it overnight, that's the best. So this is the first style, that is the grilled chicken. It's the healthier option. For that you put in some more olive oil, some butter, and then wrap up like so and put it into a microwave in the grilled option. Now comes a second style, the fried style, which is a bit more yummy but not as healthy as the grilled option. So we are here taking some butter and making sure that it is well covered on the entire pan. Now wait some time after you put in your first piece, let it cook a while and then turn it over. As you can see, the chicken has started to cook. It is turning white and then it will go on changing color, as we'll see. This is after a few flips, not just the exact immediate flip. So as you can see, it will start becoming brown. Cover it with a lid so that it cooks well. And now when it turns into this reddish brown color, it is almost ready. To verify that it is ready or not, what you need to do is cut it and then observe the edges. You can well distinguish that if it is cooked or not, seeing the edges. As we can see, our chicken is ready, as well as our grilled chicken. So guys, please try it out because as you have seen, it's quite easy. And here's some pieces for our amazing viewers. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as there are new videos coming up every Fridays and Mondays. So please like, share, comment. Bye.